Okay, so she's passed the fuel leak test, which is good. Anyway, we have a 1996 Buick Century here. This is a LIM gasket repair, 3100 V6. These are pretty common in this motor. The cause of the failure is this little bobble here. Plastic gasket. As you can see, it's pretty deteriorated. Dealership replaced this once and did not do well. You can see this is one of the good ones too. I've had some look a lot worse. Some people blame it on Dex Cool Voodoo, but I don't think so. This S10 here has got a 2.2 liter, underpowered, overworked, 160,000 miles on Dex Cool. It's just fine. No leaks whatsoever. So now is the moment of truth for the Century. My first video. So shooting it with an iPhone. Not sure what the wisdom in that is, but here we go. Well, that should get some oil pressure going. 2, 3, 4. Let's wait 20 seconds here. I think we're getting some gas in there now. Almost. Alright, we have ignition. Alright, I'm going to put you down here. We'll have to add some coolant. Yep.